Hey there everyone, it's me, mentally flinging cat girl from Gay Insomnia. People on the Balatro Discord keep asking for a video tutorial, so here one is. A video tutorial on installing your very first Balatro mod. Step 1, you gotta install Lovely. You find the link in the Discord or by searching Balatro Lovely Injector on your favorite web search engine, or you can just go in the description. Be careful when randos on YouTube tell you to install things. I know I'm trustworthy. You don't know I'm trustworthy. Anyway, Lovely. You get the GitHub page. It looks like this. You go to the releases, they're over here. It looks different on mobile. I forget how so. You can't do this on mobile. You don't have Balatro on mobile. Or you don't have Balatro modding. Balatro exists, but you can't mod it on mobile. It's not allowed. And Lovely doesn't work, I'm pretty sure. I haven't tried it. If you want to play mods on mobile, get Steam Link. Releases. This was supposed to be concise. I'm bad at that. You download the one for your system. If, like me, you are a Linux user, you download the Windows one. You save it. You open it. It's version.dll inside the zip. What do you do with it? You open up your Steam library. You right-click. You browse local files. In here, you want version.dll. Well, drop it in. Yes, you replace it. Huzzah. And then, the other thing you do... Right. This is Linux specific. If you're a Windows user, you can ignore it. I'm not giving Mac instructions. You can see the Mac instructions are here. You can read them. Please read them. You should read instructions. Where was I? Right. To actually activate Lovely, you go here, and you go here, and you paste the thing. I already had it because I had already installed mods. This is maybe not a great demonstration for that reason. Whatever, we're doing it anyway. That's how you install Lovely. Lovely is now installed. Great. Your mod probably requires Steamodded, so go find Steamodded. Balatro Discord, Google Balatro Steamodded, or get the link out of the description. Why do I sound like this? Never mind. You got Steamodded. With Steamodded, you do not want the releases. It says right there it is depreciated. This 098, you only want this if you're using old mods that haven't been updated. There aren't very many of those left, but, you know, they exist. You might want them for the novelty. To get the current version, you go up here to the code. You download the zip, you save it. Of course, I already have it because I've already installed mods. You wait for it to finish downloading. And now, where do you put the mods? You put them in your Balatro app data folder. How do you get to app data? Well, if you're a Windows user, you type %appdata% in your address bar thingy. This is not Windows. This is Linux. It won't work on Linux. What you do on Linux is, I don't remember how you found this information originally, but you go to your home, to your Steam, to your Debian installation, to your Steam apps, compat data, that's the one. Get your Balatro app ID, which you find by going to its page on the Steam store. Going to its page on the Steam store. This is going to be easier if I get it from Steam. What am I doing? I could edit this if I had any sense, but I'm not going to. There, right here. App 2379780. That's this one. PFX, Drive C, users, users, Steam user, app data. This is your app data if you're on Linux. Sorry, Windows users, you had to deal with that. You could have skipped forward. Anyway, you're in app data, roaming, Balatro. This is where your save files live. It's also where your mod files live. You create a new folder. Call it mods. Not like that. You call it mods like that. I don't know if that makes a difference. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, you drop the Steamodded folder into the mods folder. Also, I don't know whether this matters, remove the main suffix. It probably doesn't matter. You now have Steamodded. It is ste and also modded. I am rambling because I did not script this very well. I kind of scripted this. I outlined it. All you have at this point is the existence of mods. You can do mods. You're going to have to install an actual mod. Yeah, you see? No mods detected. Open the mods directory. I'm not going to click that button because I already have the mods directory open. It's right here. Yes, there's a lovely folder now. It automatically does that. You probably want Cryptid or Grim or some other big content mod that got featured by some YouTuber because you are a YouTube user. But I'm going to install with my mod because I feel like it. So, GitHub page is the usual place to get it. If your mod creator feels like it, they might have released it some other way. It is sort of an agreement in the Discord that you gotta have the public source code out there somewhere so that people can't, or at least that they will get caught if they try to make a mod that does something evil. Anyway, most mods will have releases. I think right? They look like this. You click there. It's a release. You download the zip. Or a lot of mods, including Cryptid, have dev versions. You get the latest commit from here. The dev version is, I sum it up in my own thing. Speaking of, read the readme. You might have dependencies. Spectrum framework is recommended, but not strictly required. Rad, you can skip it. Anyway, as I explained down here, nope, I haven't updated that. I haven't pushed that yet. As I will explain down there at some future point, the dev version you get from here may have more features. It may also have more bugs. The release version may have less features. It probably has less bugs. I like features. Let's download the dev version. Either way, you open up your zip file, you take your folder, and you put it in the mods folder. I'm reasonably sure you do not have to delete the version suffix, but you might prefer to. It looks silly. But now you have a mod in your folder. It adds things. It adds, load please. It adds things. You open up your mods button, you can see the additions. Of course, I'm in the middle of a save file, so obviously you can see all of it. And this would normally all start at 0 because you have to reveal things, except if you don't, because Steamodded is like that. Anyway, there you go. That's how you install a mod. If you have dependencies down in the README, you go to the thing, you install it. This was a video that I made and you watched. Like and subscribe if you want to, I guess, because I'm definitely likely to upload videos and also videos that have anything to do with... You can see my video history. There is no consistency here. There will never be consistency here. Maybe you enjoy that. I'm going to end the video now because this is getting silly. Bye! Go look at the Balatro wiki of mods. What? Modded Balatro wiki. This thing. It's cool. You can find mods there.